Sha'alam. Asher Kedeshanu b'mitzvotav, v'tzivanu lehitatef batiti.
Pink cowboy boots and princess dresses with wild curly blonde locks and a clearly expressed point of view. As soon as she could walk and talk, we all knew we had our hands full with this one. She was magnetic at the earliest of ages, attracting friends wherever she went, as they all wanted to share in the fun and happiness Harper always seemed to be enjoying. Even in a wheelchair with a full leg cast, breaking her leg for the first time, dancing in the living room, of course, she insisted on participating in the all-school dance performance despite her inability to even walk. She was never one to miss out on a good time.
Birthday parties with glitter tattoos and dogs and mermaid tails. Remember dressing up as Pickle for Halloween? We have so many memories, and I'm so glad you're my friend. You're so gorgeous and amazing. Party hon.
Wrapped in this special garment, wearing the fringes of responsibility, I commit myself this day to what our tradition demands of us, a life dedicated to pursuing justice and increasing holiness. When I look at the tzitzi, I am reminded that I must seek to live a life of righteousness and compassion.
You are magic. I hope you know how special you are, and know how loved you are, and you can try to love
your friends had a good time too.
You are really a great sister and most interesting younger sister. You are definitely one of a kind. Mazel tov, Harper, and I love you.
keen intuition and your love for people and experiences are great gifts. May your sense of adventure keep you brave, and may your intuition and your inner knowing keep you safe. May you always listen to your heart and your gut and love yourself as deeply as we love you.